That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
MX3, dito ako believe.
Hey, have you ever tried?
This is a band known as Toast.
Baby, I'ma want you. Baby, I'ma need you.
Toast is the best of bread, bringing back the much-loved hits of soft rock band Bread.
If the face could launch 1,000 ships, then where
Toast, with their feel-good, spot-on sound of the original recordings of Bread, performing with special guest Noel Cabangon, August 12 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Tickets at ovationtickets.com.
now we was the name.
Relive those precious memories with the ultimate Bread experience. Toast, the best of bread, live.
Found a diary underneath the tree.
From Ovation Productions, Blast TV, and DWWW 774. Catch Toast, the best of bread, live at the Smart Araneta Coliseum on August 12 and at the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel on August 15, 2026 with special guest Noel Cabangon. Tickets to Toast's feel-good concerts that are sure to bring all the memories flooding back are available through ovationtickets.com. Presented by Ovation Productions in cooperation with Blast TV and DWWW 774.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Joseph. 5 years na akong Santon Plus Herbal Capsule user. Walang ibang gamot na nakapagpagaling sa aking cirrhosis of the liver, kundi Santon Plus Herbal Capsule lang. The best talaga.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Herbal Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Jessa, 25 years old. Dati may leukemia ako. Kasabay sa pag-take ko ng aking mga gamot, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Ang laking tulong talaga ng Santon Plus. And finally, I'm a leukemia survivor.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Herbal Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Nako, mga kababayan, regular holiday pala bukas dahil sa Proclamation number 1264. Idineklara po ni President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang araw na ito, May 27, 2026 bilang regular holiday dahil sa Eid al-Adha. So wala na naman pasok bukas sa mga uring manggagawa. Sana all.
Ryan Q, sana all.
Sige, pagplanuhan nyo kung saan kayo mamamasyal bukas. Time check muna tayo, kabayan. Nailuto na bang ulam? May kanin na ba? 5:12 na nagmamadaling umaga.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
MX3, dito ako believe.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Magandang kalusugan po! Si Ate Chat Ramirez de Luna po ito. Inaanyayahan po namin kayong makinig sa Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Araw-araw, mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, sa ganap na alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 6. At pag Sabado, sa ganap na alas 8:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 9. Dito, sa ating paboritong himpilan, DWWW 774 sa ating talapitan. Mas maganda nang nag-iingat sa kalusugan dahil mahal magkasakit. Magastos po! Ate Chat, Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Maraming salamat po!
Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab-Gone, bakit makabloom sa charm? Walang amoy kulong, kahit sampay sa loob. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Nag-uugnay sa kahapon at ngayon, patuloy na sumasabay sa pagbabago ng panahon. Pinagkakatiwalaan sa balanseng pagbabalita, makabuluhang komentaryo, sariwang mga impormasyon at mga musikang bahagi ng buhay ng bawat henerasyon. DWWW 774, your ultimate news and music radio. Mas pinalawak, mas pinalakas. Si Brian Kitoriano, Ilocano, nang gigising sa inyo sa 774